Alright, so another question. Again, no? Parang suki to si Paulo Isip pa. Anyway, sige, okay lang yan. Para hopefully you will become a CPA soon, no? Okay, sabi niya, hello sir, pwede po ba mag-ask if anong income po ginagamit sa ROA and ROE? And it is true po ba na ang ROA and ROI ay parehas or equal, no? Depende, no? So, ROA, ano yung formula ng ROA, diba? The return on assets, the formula is, pag-return always your income. So, net income divided by your total assets or average total assets. In ROE naman, the formula for the ROA is the net income, please take note, net income minus your preferred stock dividends. So, ibig sabihin, you will deduct the stock dividends. Bakit? Kanino ba ang stockholders' equity? Para yan kay common stocks. That's why class, the formula is net income minus your preferred stock dividends divided by your average stockholders' equity. How about naman in the ROI? ROI naman, depende, no? If it is part of the responsibility center. So, ano yung formula class ng responsibility center? Of course, as part of the investment center. So, formula for the ROI is that, number one, controllable margin divided by your average operating assets. My question, how do we compute for controllable margin? Diba, you have your sales minus your variable cost is equals to contribution margin minus your traceable fixed cost, and that would be your controllable margin. So please read more about segment reporting. Controllable margin divided by your average operating assets. My question, ano yung mga operating assets? Your current assets saka property, plant, and equipment. So again, ano yung formula? Controllable margin divided by your average operating assets. May isa pa. The formula also is that your operating income divided by your average assets. Okay? Operating income divided by average total assets. And the last one is that the ROI can be computed as profit margin or return on sales to be multiplied by asset turnover. Okay? So yan, another formula, no? Your return on sales divided to be multiplied by asset turnover. So yun lang. Thank you.